Hi you guys, so I have another unboxing. I am unboxing the Cricut Explore 5. Also, if you guys can give me some feedback on what you guys have done with the Cricut Explore 5, give me some projects to do, give me something to do. Like, I need something. All right, this is the bundle set right here. This basically comes with, you know, like all the different vinyls. It comes with cards. It comes with cardstock paper. And it also comes with printable vinyl right here. This one right here is the smart vinyl, in which I just found out I can run the smart vinyl through here without the mat. So that's good. And then this one is the smart iron-on vinyl. So that's all the vinyl and stuff that was included. Scan card to set it up. It gives you the user guide. It gives you the Cricut Explorer safety and warranty information. Oh, and it also gives you the little iron, like for little shirts and hats, and you know, like if you want to tag your own stuff, all of that stuff like that. Let's open this box. This come with the little warranty. Come with the little stand that you can sit it on. And this the little iron. Ain't it cute? I like Cricut. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm a big Cricut fan. I love me some Cricut. This is the first thing that I got into when I first started. My t-shirt company was the Cricut machine. So I actually love the Cricut machine. Oh, it also comes with the whole kit. Ruler and cutter and blades and all of that stuff like that. It gives you a card mat. This is the card mat right here. I'll be making birthday cards and all that. No more Dollar Tree. No more $1.25. Yes. All right, we have the cutter. It comes with your mats. This is the light grip mat. The machine itself. All right, so here goes Sister Girl right here. This one does not have a detachable cord. This time it's actually a regular cord. So that's a plus. I like that. So with this one, it is, you know, much smaller than the one that I had, and I like that because I don't have a lot of space this time. Like I said, it do have the opening at the top, in which I'm going to get a Cricut bag to put this in so that it does not collect dust. So I don't want it all to collect dust. This is the little storage thing. Again, it does not have the magnets like my previous one did, but I mean, it is big enough to put all my little utensils and stuff in. I mean, I ain't really used the magnet like that anyway, so it's no big deal. But yeah, so once I get it up and all set up and all of that stuff like that, I'll come back and we can do our first project together. Thank you.